How do pop-up matcha drink stands make galaxy-style matcha drinks? They create the effect by layering colorful ingredients, controlling their thickness, and adding food-safe shimmer that swirls when the drink moves. First, the stand prepares strong matcha by sifting powdered green tea and whisking it with a small amount of warm water until it becomes smooth and foamy. The matcha is usually poured over milk, coconut water, or lemonade, depending on the flavor and color plan. To make the galaxy look, the drink may include layers of blue butterfly pea flower tea, purple berry syrup, pink dragon fruit, or dark blackberry syrup. These colors change when ingredients with different acidity mix together, which is why a blue layer can turn violet or pink. The layers stay visible when each liquid has a different thickness, so thick syrup goes in first and lighter liquids are poured slowly over ice. A small amount of edible luster dust creates tiny flashes that look like stars, but it must be labeled food safe and approved for eating. One lesser-known trick is to pour the matcha over the back of a spoon, because this spreads the liquid gently and protects the layers. To make one at home, chill every ingredient, fill a clear cup with ice, add syrup, pour in the colored tea, add milk, and finish with matcha and a tiny pinch of edible shimmer. A common mistake is stirring everything too early, so wait until the drink is shown or photographed before mixing it. Another mistake is using too much luster dust, which can make the drink gritty, so start with a very small pinch and check that the product is meant to be swallowed. People also confuse decorative shimmer with craft glitter, but craft glitter is unsafe to consume, so use only clearly labeled edible ingredients. If the colors turn muddy, use fewer colors and add acidic ingredients slowly, because too much lemon or fruit syrup can overpower both the appearance and the matcha flavor. If you enjoyed the video, check out our online resources that can really help get your business started. In the description below,